Predicting Boruto's love life from the time skip. This video will be covering a fan fiction where Boruto will get hooked with Sarada and Sumire one after another in a very dramatic manner. But the question is, will he be able to find his true love? So let's start off with the story to find out. The story begins after the declaration of war against the Otsutsuki that were about to conquer planet Earth. Boruto was really worried about the situation, and this was the time when Sarada stood by his side and assured him that everything will go fine. Every time Boruto was with Sarada, he found himself safe and relieved from the headaching tensions. Sarada also felt the same towards Boruto and was thinking about proposing him before the war started. One day as Sarada was in the library reading about the Uchiha history, there came an old lady who asked her if she was the daughter of Sasuke Uchiha. Sarada replied with a yes, and the lady started telling him some more fascinating facts about her clan. However, the old lady also revealed a dark fact to Sarada which left her shocked and made her reconsider her life partner. The truth was that just because she was a girl, no matter whomever she marries, but her child will be recognized with the father's clan instead of the Uchihas. This meant that the Uchiha clan was about to get extinct in a few decades or so. Sarada totally went blank after hearing the words of the old lady and begged her for some solution. The old lady told Sarada that the only solution to this problem is to marry a man who does not belong to any notable clan. However, the disadvantage of marrying such person is that they won't be having some special abilities, powers or Kekai Genkai, which would not be good for their child. After all, the child will be a heir of the renowned Uchiha clan. Sarada then thought about Kawaki, who inherited the Otsutsuki powers and also does not belong to any prominent clan. So she decided to win the heart of Kawaki and forget about her love interest Boruto just for the sake of the Uchiha clan. Months passed and Sarada decided to help Kawaki in his plan of sending all the Earth's residents to some other dimension. But little did Sarada know that Kawaki was about to betray her, as there was somebody else who wanted Kawaki, and the person could even kill Sarada if she heard about her proposal. Mitsuki, who secretly witnessed the alliance of his two teammates, rushed to report this incident to Boruto. Boruto was really disappointed but not surprised at all. He decided not to tell anyone about this and let fate play its game. This was the time when Sumire entered his life and helped him in forming a great plan to tackle the Otsutsuki situation. Boruto had two big dangers in front of him. The first were the Otsutsukis that were coming to devour the planet. The second was Kawaki, who was committed to evacuating the planet. Sumire told Boruto that he should focus on defeating the major forces first, as Kawaki can be handled later as well. Also, every shinobi is required to participate in the war, and Kawaki is no exception to this. He won't be keeping his life online just for the sake of saving others. Boruto told Sumire that Kawaki will do anything possible to save Lord 7th, even if it comes to ending his own life. Mitsuki told Boruto his plan of manipulating Sarada on the day of the war. Boruto told Mitsuki that there is indeed somebody who provided the idea of evacuating the shinobi world to Kawaki, and it could be someone who's romantically interested in him. Sumire told Boruto that if they reach that person, chances are that he or she could provide some help to them. Boruto went into a state of deep thought and told Sumire to take care of herself as he doesn't want to lose her. He then went away silently to meet his mentor Sasuke, but Sumire couldn't understand what exactly he meant. Mitsuki told Sumire that he just had a heartbreak after losing Sarada, and chances are he's afraid of losing her now the same way he lost Sarada. Upon hearing this, Sumire went embarrassingly speechless. That evening, Sumire called Boruto and told him how she felt about him since the day they first met. Sumire assured Boruto that even if the whole world is against him, she will always stand by his side. This got Boruto emotional and he decided to fall in love once again, but this time with the right person. But little did Boruto know that the fate had something else planned for him. A few months passed and the day finally came when the Shinobi Alliance went against the Otsutsukis. Sumire, who was always there to support Boruto, became the first victim of Kawaki and Sarada and was sent to a new dimension. Mitsuki was reporting the whole situation to Boruto, but unfortunately Boruto lost connection with Mitsuki as well, which reminded him the words that Momoshiki said. This made Boruto realize that no matter how hard he tries, but the thing that's written in his fate is losing everything: his friends, his family, and even his lover.